Hey, come and make Thanksgiving dinner with me. Day 1. You've heard of the 12 days of Christmas. Let's talk about the 4 days of Thanksgiving, because that's how long it takes me to cook everything. I do this on purpose because I don't want to be busy in the kitchen all day and not be able to visit with people or drink sangria. It's really important to me that I get as much done before the day as possible. I've been using this 4-day method for several years and it's worked out beautifully. So I'm going to bring you along on my 4-day journey. We've got 4 things to do today. We're going to defrost the turkey, make the cranberry sauce. We're going to make hummus as an appetizer. We're going to boil eggs for deviled eggs, which is also an app.